welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and what we're going to be looking at today is elevation of a particular application at runtime. So what we're going to do here is take a look at one of these examples. So we're going to come into a server first and enter manual credentials here. So we've got our credentials. We're going to log into this server. It'll open up a new tab with our privileged remote access service. So you can see this tab that is opening here. This can use any MFA using a particular security question for the purpose of this demo. So we're logged in here. Next thing we're going to do is wait for it to do our settings, and then next up is come in here, that around. Okay, so essentially what we're looking at here is coming into Task Manager details, and we see that nothing in here is elevated. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come in here. This common task is we're in a server with no as a least amount of privilege in a server, and we need to update the host files. So I use this example because we've all done this, and so I'm going to come in here to Notepad. And I'm going to right-click Notepad, and we're going to run with privilege. You see this option here that we have. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to step up privilege for this particular running of Notepad here, and I'm going to use local admin for that. And then what this is going to do is prompt us for MFA. We have other options for MFA, as you can see. I'm just going to do the security question. And there we are. So we're into Notepad, elevated. Now let's take a look and confirm. So we can see that now we can see that that particular process is now running elevated within this particular session. So wanted to show you that, and as a part of this particular demo, and show you how we elevate privilege at the application level within a particular setting. So thank you, and have a nice day.